Want to increase your Fiverr gig visibility and attract more potential buyers to your services? In this video, I'll share proven strategies to boost your gig views and turn those views into actual orders. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Getting more views is the first step to getting more orders on Fiverr. While views alone don't guarantee sales, they create more opportunities for conversion. Let me show you how to drive more traffic to your gig. First, optimize your gig for Fiverr's search algorithm by using relevant keywords in your title, tags, and description. Research what terms buyers in your niche are searching for and incorporate them naturally throughout your gig content. Promote your gig outside of Fiverr through social media, your personal website, or relevant online communities. Share your portfolio work and include a link to your Fiverr gig, but make sure to follow each platform's promotion guidelines. Use Fiverr's buyer requests section regularly to find potential customers and send them custom offers. This not only helps you get orders but also increases your gig's visibility within Fiverr's ecosystem. Update your gig regularly to keep it fresh in search results. Fiverr's algorithm tends to favor recently updated gigs, so consider making small improvements to your images, description, or portfolio every few weeks. A crucial pro tip: focus on converting the views you already get rather than just chasing more views. A gig with a high conversion rate, orders divided by views, will naturally rank higher and get more organic visibility from Fiverr. Also, consider using Fiverr's promoted gigs feature to boost visibility for your best performing gigs. And just like that, you're equipped with multiple strategies to increase your gig views and overall visibility. More views mean more opportunities to showcase your skills and win new customers. If these strategies help boost your gig visibility, please give it a like. Which strategy has been most effective for driving views to your Fiverr gig? Share your experiences in the comments below. To continue optimizing your pricing strategy, subscribe for our next video on how to update Fiverr gig pricing. Thanks for watching.